Roborock is introduced a new robot vacuum cleaner, the Roborock Saros Rover, which is the world's first robot vacuum with wheel legs that can climb stairs and slopes. The Roborock Saros Rover is currently the most talked about the concept to reality device in the smart home. It effectively solves the final boss of the robot vacuums. Unlike every other vacuum that uses a flat puck design, the Saros Rover features an AI-powered wheel leg. The robot has two articulated limbs that can extend, lift, and move independently. It can stand upright, perform small jumps, and keep its body perfectly level while navigating slopes. In live video you can watch, it climbed 5 stairs in under 40 seconds. And it doesn't just climb them, it vacuums each step. It isn't just a mechanical marvel. It's backed by Roborock's most advanced brain yet. It uses dual flash lidar and 3D spatial sensors to map the environment in real time. It can identify over 200 different household objects. No official price has been announced, but expected price is $1,500 to $2,000. That's all for now. Friends, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.